In previous videos, we opened the pages and click buttons, but automation without validation is incomplete. Assertions confirm whether application behavior correctly. By the end of this episode, you may understand what assertions are, learn Playwright Assertion syntax, use common assertions, validate UI elements, validate text and values, validate URL and titles, handle visibility assertions, understand auto-wait behavior, debug assertion failures, learn assertion best practice. This is one of the most important functional episodes because assertion turn automation script into real test cases. Syntax. Expect a page to have title. Expect a value to be something. Expected locate to be visible. Page title assertion to have title. URL assertion to have URL. Visibility assertion to be visible. Handle assertion to be handled. Text assertion to have text. Best practice reason. Validate meaningful behavior. Better coverage. Avoid duplicated assertions. Cleaner scripts. Prefer locate assertion. Stable tests. Use partial text carefully. Avoid false positives. Use expected with Playwright locates built-in auto-wait. Let's look at code parts. Here is the first line, import. This is the import text, and also import expect from the Playwright test. So use expect for the assertion. So each of assertion start with expect. Here is the BeforeEach. So you can see, go to the web page and expect page have title. So this is the title value. And here is assertion page title. So this is give if a page title equals this one is pass. Otherwise, expect this is fail. Another one is after go to this page, check expect assertion for the have URL. If URL not equal this one, is assertion expect fail. So this is for each test go to the before and assertion 2 page title, also URL. So let's look at the first test. First test we have like get the row. This is row is the button. Name is the button 4. Click. After click, you should like be visible. Check is be visible. This is for the web elements be variable or not variable. So if variable, be variable is pass. If not variable is fail. So this is a test. I will run this. And here is another one is go to the page, find the link. This link is home. Name is home. Click. Then a session or expect page have URL. Access URL. So this is a URL. So let me run this test. Okay, you see here, button name. This is button name is full, is a pass. Another one is link. Link is home, so is a pass. Then I will no, this is home is for this URL. So I change something and run again. If I change this is button 5, and here I put something like home. See what happened for this test. So is wait for a session. So you see here is a the session field because I changed the button from the 4 to 5. So 5 is not available. And here is I changed the URL. URL I put the home. So this URL expel is a fail. Let's look at other test. Here is a test for the text box. Use the CSS locate, find the text box. In the text box, type this sentence in the text box, and then use assertion. Expect this locate text box have value. So this is have value. The same thing like what you type in the text box should have the same. This test is use XPath locate for the text area. Find this text area 4. Locate find this text area 4. Type into this sentence. And assertion for this text area have value. The same is type in. This is for the checkbox. Use XPath. So find the page, locate checkbox 1, check, and expect checkbox status to be checked. So assertion or expect this checkbox to be checked. Let me run a test. Okay, so this 3 test pass. If we change this one, what happened? Change it for some assertion. So here is like type this sentence. So value have value same sentence. So I change this one. If I want assertion is different, I type text 2. And the assertion are not changing. If I not change, what happened? This is one. And another one is type this in the text area. If I just change this one, I put the text area 4, which this should fail because the assertion is different sentence. And here is I don't ask a script run check. I just give this out and check this box is to be checked or not to be checked. I expect to be checked. So this status should fail because now this action, this checkbox should be not checked. So let me run a test. You see the test failed. So we can see what happened for this. You see Assertion is a fail because this is a different, this is a box 2, this is just box. So Assertion, this value is not equal to actually value in the text box. Here is also something like check text area. I put a full here, so type no full, so Assertion is a fail. And here is we don't have the script checked this checkbox, so this checkbox should not checked. So when the expected or assertion for this status is to be checked is fail. You may create a test requirement, open Google, search Playwright, verify title, verify URL, verify text appears. Great work! You can now validate application like a QA engineer. Next, we'll cover element interaction and learn clicks, typing, drop-down list, and more. See you next time.